When you say pineapple chicken, you may as well be saying my name. Today's creation will be tropical Hawaiian pineapple cashew chicken. I ditched the oil for a fresh pineapple juice, which I will use to fry up the already seasoned chicken. Now I'm layering the chicken in the pineapple juice and I will fry these for about 10 minutes on both sides. One of the good things about this dish is that we did not have to use oil. So whenever time you can ditch the oil, please go ahead and do so. Now I've fried up the chicken for about 20 minutes and I'm adding more pineapple juice because now we're going to get into a simmer. And as always, here are my fresh aromatics and a pineapple, of course. So I've cut up all my seasonings, carrots and bell peppers, and I'm chopping my pineapple. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the highlight of the dish. Look how beautiful that is. And there goes our cashews. My favorite season from Trader Joe's. So you add some seasonings, whichever seasonings you use, go ahead, add your seasonings to your taste. But you don't know, Jamaican have to put all of them something here. Thyme, the fresh thyme, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. That is a must. Jamaican, Hawaiian, just the same. And now for the pineapple. Cannot be pineapple chicken without pineapples, and there goes our cashew. Yes, we're trying a different cuisine today. It's looking good already, it's smelling good, and I know that if you taste this, they're gonna say it tastes good. And we're adding honey for a little bit of sweetness. Yeah, you know the islands are sweet. So we have to add our little sweetness. And just so you know, this video took a whole year to be posted. I made this video from last year, July 14th, and I just get the chance to post it because there's so much content, so much is going on. But anyways, it's here, and I hope that you will love it. And let me know in the comment if you love it. And you cannot say Hawaii without saying beach. So let us feast on the beach with this delicious plate and a refreshing glass of freshly made pineapple juice. This dish was very simple and easy to make, especially for people who don't have a lot of time to cook. So if you need to explore more quick and easy dinners, make sure you click on this playlist up here. It will definitely help you to achieve that. I hope to see you over there. Bye.